Okay, so welcome kwenye episode number 3. Kwenye hii episode number 3 tutajifunza how to test API server kwa kutumia software inaitwa Postman. So Postman ni software inayotumika kutest connectivity between API server and client. So another objective ni ku add material design kwenye hii hapa our API server. This is a Django admin site na hii ni material design. So kwenye hii episode tutafanya vitu viwili. Tutatest API server na tuta add material design kwenye hii hapa. Okay? No good. Now, let's check video objective. Video objective is how to create an API, how to test API. So today tunaenda kucheck how to test API server. Okay. Okay, so unakuja kwenye your computer desktop start button, utaandika cmd, utafungua hii hapa. So this is a command prompt. Hapa kwenye command prompt tunaenda kuspecify header. Header kwenye API connectivity, unapofanya API connectivity, header ina contain information kadhaa, ina contain URL, resource ambayo wewe unaitaka kuiaccess na pamoja na API key ulopewa kutoka kwenye server. So hapa nitaandika command ifuatayo, nitaandika command yapo, then nitaacha space, then -h ya capital letter, then space nitaweka hiyo hapo quotation, just kuandika authorization, then colon, then space, then a capital letter, API, then hyphen, then key. So here I want to specify your API key. So nikija katika my Django application, kwenye Django application, so Django application hii hapa, application yetu ya Django tulio create. So nikija kwenye API keys ambazo tulitengeneza API keys kwenye previous episode number 2. Kisha hizo APIs zikuja kuzihifadhi huko. So unaona hizi ni list of registered clients. Kuna hii hapa human resource department na hii ndio ni API key yake. So na copy this key, API key, now open command prompt. So hapa nitaweka space. Okay, after space now paste our API key. After pasting API key now uja kumwisho na just terminate quotation. Then after kuja kuspecify API address. Our API address na current ya API yetu ina run kwenye local computer. So now local computer kuja kuangalia address is class B. Okay, class B IP address 127.0.0.1 and this is the port number. Okay. So by default protocol ni HTTP. By default protocol ni HTTP. Kwa sababu tuna run sasa hivi kwenye local computer, nitakuja hapa katika ile pale command prompt nitaandika HTTP protocol. Okay. Protocol ni muhimu, so just write HTTP, that is a protocol colon, then /. Okay. After then now your IP address 127.0.0.1. Yes. Okay. 127.0.0.1. This is a class B IP address. After then let's put a colon, then specify a port number. Then put a colon, specify port number. Django na run kwenye this port number. Okay, port number here hapo. Then specify our root. Okay, so nikija katika my application, this is my application source code. Nikija kwenye projects, this is the URLs. So nikija kwenye my project URLs, okay, kwenye previous episode we create here. Now you can see, so this is the URL patterns. Hii ndo path of hii ndo root path ya API. So our root path API is API hivyo root path. So nakuja kuimention hii API as a root path. So now open command prompt. So hapa baada ya kuandika hii port number naweka hii hapa /, then naiandika ile root path. After then naandika /. Kinachofuata then naandika routing. Okay, so routing iliyofanyika katika application. So open now source code. Hapa wana ile file la URLs la project. This is our project URL ya application. So application is my app. Open my app and open URLs. Now you can see hapa tuli perform routing ya API. So you can see tumetengeneza object ya router, kisha tukaja tukafanya routing ya our mother table is document, our child table is document details. So this is a routing. So hii routing ndio tunachukua. So now copy this routing okay. And open command prompt hapa, just paste, okay, paste. Umeona hii routing document. After then put your / namna hii. Then after doing so, make sure server current in run. So now let's check it. Okay, now server current in run. Okay, so now request, so hii hapa ni get response. So now click enter. Now you can see response iliyokuja. So this is a response. Okay, so I think there is a problem somewhere. So ukija hapa katika serializers.py, so hizi ni fields ambazo zilitoka katika models. So unakuja kushiki kwenye models, we have title, description, created, art, image na nyinginezo. So hii title iliyoandikwa hapa na iliyoandikwa hapa unaona kama zina tofauti So hii ni syntax error. Hii title t mbili hazipo, ipo moja. So now save changes. Now open kwanza check server yetu current hiyo ina run. Okay, so current our server is running. Then hapa repeat ile command, this one. Okay, ambayo tuliandika, and click enter. Now you can see hii ni response kutoka kwenye server. So now check sticky response. Baada ya kuandika hii command, okay, imelifanya nini? ID is 1, title is this one, description is blah 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 blah. Of course tuliandika kwenye previous episode. Created art is this date, okay, and image imekuwa installed kwenye this path.jpg, and file ilikuwa ni file imekuwa installed kwenye this path.pdf, okay, uploaded by my name. So this is the response, JSON response. So now again, baada ya access hii path kwenye URLs, this one URLs, now tuna access document-details. So logic hapa katika command prompt hii hapo. Now hapo kwenye document is document details. So tunaenda ku access ile path nyingine, document details, okay, and API key ina remain kwa the same, okay. And after doing so, now click enter to execute, click enter. So this is a detail. We have ID is 1, and additional info is, this is additional info, okay, and so on and so on and so on. Technique number 2, testing API using a Postman. So I'll download Postman. Ingia Google, for example now. So Google hapa, kwenye Google hapa, just like postman.com, okay. So postman.com, and click enter, and just site ya Postman ita open. After doing so, now go to, I think, downloads. Go to downloads. So uta choose for Windows. So click here for Windows. So this is for Windows, and now download Postman for Windows, okay. So about to download Postman for Windows, I think you find the downloading link and download it for Windows. After downloading Postman, so desktop start button, open, and just write a Postman and click it. After clicking, now Postman will be opened like this. Then after opening Postman, you click here a button, yeah, plus symbol, click it. Now itatokea namna hii. So here enter URL, okay, and method iliyotumia inaitwaje? Get response, okay. So hiyo kwenye method get tuna post, tuna put, patch, create. So hizi ni method. Medium of communication is HTTP, tunatumia HTTP. So now bila kupoteza muda, so hapa just address ilikuwa ni hii hapa, HTTP, for example, document details. So Control C, copy it and open a Postman, this one, this is a Postman. So hapa enter URL, so now paste, okay, this is URL. So now click on headers. So on key, so hapa kwenye key unakuandika ile authorization. So now open this one. So hii hapa authorization. Now copy authorization and open Postman. So hapa hii inakuwa ni just as a key is authorization and value is our API keys. So now open command prompt, this one, and copy this one, API keys. Now copy it and open Postman hapa na uje kuipaste kama ilivyo. Unaona nimeandika API keys is this key, my key. Okay, this is the header. Header may contain information gani? API key and authorization. Now click on authorization. Now authorization, now you can see now is empty. Click no auth and choose this one, API key, and after choosing, now you can see authorization is key and this is the value. After then click send. Click send. Now so responses zinakuja katika mfumo wa JSON. So this is the response for document details. So unaweza change hapa, hii hapa let's copy. So hapa kwanza kuchange from document details to document. So hii hapa, sababu kumbuka hii ni URL. Okay, click send. Now you can see this is a document. So document is mother table and document details is child table. So click it. This is a child table. Now sasa nimeshajifunza namna ya ku send request kwa ajili ya ku get response. So cha kwanza kabisa unakuja kwenye headers, una add authorization na API key. Unakuja kwenye authorization, una select your API key, choose hapa API key. Okay, choose API key. So hapa kwenye hii ni just headers. So hapa unakuja kuchagua authorization, values your API key and add it to header. Okay, doing so. Now another step is to implement a front end. So close this one and let's close. Good. Another step is to implement front end. Lakini kabla ya implement front end kwa material design hapa kama tulivyosema. So now open Google and hapa Google and just write Django admin menu. Django admin menu. Okay, and click enter. Django admin menu, click enter. Okay, and just click this first link. Okay, so itafungua hii ni Django admin menu documentation. Copy this one and you open command prompt. So cmd and just open command prompt, this one. After opening command prompt, come to run people store Django admin menu, click enter. Kufanya installation. So mimi nimeshafanya installation, sina haja ya kufanya installation. So for you ita install. After installing Django admin menu, and open documentation again. Let's documentation. Then include admin menu kwenye installed apps. So now copy it and open source code, open settings.py before django.contrib.admin. Kabla ya hapa juu yake, yes, paste it. After doing so, save changes. Now come to runner server and server currently enrolled. Okay, now our server is running as well. Our server is running. So haja kucheki vipi sasa inaonekana hiyo admin site. So current server na run. Okay, so open our site. This is our site and come to refresh. So now current server na run. So to reload again, to run our server, run again. Okay, now server na run. Now refresh. Now you can see is material design. Okay. Okay, so modify hii user interface huja hapa katika hii our site. Now copy this commands admin style, so now copy it and open settings.py ya project, so navigate huku chini, so paste. So hapa unaweza change color, for example background color is white. For example, when I put blue, save changes, and come to refresh and output. This is our site, so refresh it. Now you can see it's blue. Okay, so now I can see my document details. Background is blue. Okay, so now let's go customize. And customize color is hapa zote. Okay, blend cam, this is focus and in primary button. Ukitaka kubadilisha secondary button you can change. Hizo color ukichange au kuchange entire page hapo. Okay, good. So I think need to save changes and it's here run our server. Now currently our server in a run and come to refresh our site. It's in refresh. Now another step where you could check font end. Font end now will look like this. As you see, this is a font end. Okay, so in episode number 4 we'll check how to create a font end.